In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of Facebook on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open our Facebook app. As you can see, I've already signed to a Facebook account, and now I'm gonna show you first off how we can log out of our account, and then I'm gonna show you how we can remove login data for the particular account to prevent anyone who may get access to our device to log back in. First off, guys, we need to head over to menu, then scroll down to the very bottom and tap at Logout. Hit at Logout to confirm it, and then you will be taken to that page. As you can see, here I have saved login data for 2 of my Facebook accounts, and from here I can easily log back in simply by tapping at any of them. However, if you would like to remove login data from here, you can easily do so by tapping right here at that gear. Then select a profile which you would like to remove, and then select Remove Profile. It will remove saved login data from here, so it will make this profile here unavailable to log out. It will remove it actually from this list, and that's how you can easily log out of your account and remove your login data. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.